I mean, I'm not making excuses, but literally with 2 hands, I got it done in 10 seconds. It's pretty amazing piece of equipment with electronic thumb. And then here's the tractor. So let's drive it over and then we'll drop it. Here's the back of the backhoe. Okay, let's drive her over. Oh yeah. Watch out for that tree in the way. Fire. The tree behind us. Fire. Okay, so we're just going to jump off. We're back on this section back here. That's stepping on the plate with one hand. Here's our controls. Alright. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Well worth the investment. Well worth the investment in electronic. I can highly recommend anybody thinking about one of these electronic thumbs. Well worth it. Well worth it. I mean, easy to run. Easy to run. Very impressive. I mean, I still got all those trees over there to fill in. But with a little bit of backhoe help, and then put it right on our fire here and burn. Impressive. Very impressive. I'm impressed. Well, it was a lot of money, but it was a lot of money, the electronic thumb, but well worth it. Well worth it. The L4400 seems to have enough power for me too. Pretty impressed with it. Alrighty then. There's our pile. And here's all our woods that we have. Here's the woods I still have to, that I've cut down, that I still have to put in my fire. And then the wooded area over here, I'm going to be clearing out. It's almost like I should buy another wooded area just for this unit. Cool.